You've finally chosen your outfit and jewelry, your venue's booked, invite sent, and your makeup artist is ready with a brush in hand. But is your body and skin? What you eat is a major contributor to your beauty because it shows up on your face and body. Try and incorporate these quick yet 200-calorie snacks to make sure you don't compromise on weight, good hair, skin, and overall beauty for your big day. Try making a healthy trail mix with a combination of your favorite nuts and seeds. Add nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, along with pumpkin, flax, and sunflower seeds. About 50 grams of this mix equals to 200 calories approximately, and this protein-packed mix is bound to satisfy any hunger pangs between meals and while you're on the go. Packed with vitamin E, zinc and magnesium, these nuts and seeds will keep your skin glowing, promote regeneration of skin cells, and fight off bacteria that may lead to acne. So, snack on! If you are craving potato chips, sorry, you've got to compromise with its healthier alternative instead. Cut carrots into small pieces and bake it in the oven. These carrot fries add up to 53 calories and about 2.5 grams of fiber. Carrots contain vitamin A, which plays a role in sebum production. So, a carrot-rich diet leads to faster hair growth through healthy sebum production. Apples contain procyanidin, a natural compound that promotes hair growth. Thus, eat an apple daily to get long and lustrous hair. By adding peanut butter to your apple slices, you add a healthy plant-based protein to your snack that will keep you fuller for longer. This smoothie contains antioxidants from the lycopene present in tomatoes, crunchiness from the carrots, and the hydrating qualities of cucumber. A power skin glow juice, this will work wonders for the skin of to-be brides. These healthy snacks will help you maintain your anti-bridezilla cool and act as a doorway to that effortlessly dewy look, silky hair, strong nails, and flat tummy. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.